Right here we are, about to do these hubs. Brand new. There it is. On this 2002 Chevy Blazer 2-wheel drive. Run you through this step by step. Pretty easy, pretty basic. First thing you gotta do is get the front wheels off. Get it jacked up, get the front wheels off, get some jack stands underneath of it. I mean, I don't use jack stands, but safety first. Alright, second thing we gotta do is we gotta take the brakes off, caliper off, the rotor off. There's two ways you could do it. You could take off all four, or you could take off two bolts. Take this bolt off, pulls your whole caliper off and the pads. You still gotta take the bracket off, get the rotor off. So what you could do is just pull these bolts off. This bolt here, and that bolt there. That's your caliper bolt. That's a 19mm. We'll fit that. Oh, my bad. 18. It's an 18. Not a 19, an 18. Alright, right back at you. Alright, after you get the bolts undone, just slide the whole unit off. Just like that. Rotor off. There's the head. Anyways, second thing you want to do is make sure you get your ABS wire unplugged. Right here. You got the hub with the new ABS wire. I mean, all you gotta do is unplug it, trace the wire up to the top, plug it. Just little clips that hold it all in. Little plastic clips right there. Pull it out like that. Okay. Alright, so now you got 3 more bolts left. Right back here. They're also an 18. You got one here, one there,
Grayson?
and one right there.
Grayson!
Now these two you can get pretty easy, right here, with it turned this way. And to get to that other one back there, just turn your wheels back the other way, and it's the same way, it's just like that, pretty easy. Alright. Look at that. Broke the sway bar linkage. Anyway, I turned that wheel so you guys can see. There's that bolt. See how easy it is to get to it. Get your 18 in there. Alright, see how easy it is? You have to drive. This is a half drive 18. Man. Alright, I got all the bolts out. There's that last one. Now you gotta remember how the shield goes on there, because you gotta put that shield back on there the right way. Okay. Now, one of the easiest ways to take these off as they're replacing it is get you a mini sledge. Hit it a few times.
Grayson, you better stop.
Bam. Falls off. If you can't get it that way, what you can do is get you a block of wood. Put your block of wood here. Put it against the hub. Have somebody turning the wheel. Start the truck up. Use that power steering pump. Turn that wheel. Pop it off. Pretty easy. Alright, got the new hub on there. Gotta make sure you get that shield on there right, so it comes off. So it looks like sensors up top, pointed towards the headlights.
I'm gonna eat you up, Bryson.
Anyways, I got that one hard bolt in there. Alright, your bolts look like this. Okay. So we gotta get the other 2 in there. Start it up, you know. And go to town. Anyways, torque them down to about 60 pounds. And then put it all back together. Pretty easy. Now, if this is a full drive, you would have your axle that goes through here. And you'll have an axle nut that comes on there. It's like a 34 or pretty sure 34 or 36. And you pop that axle nut off, put it back on there just a little bit so you can tap it out of the hole. Bam, same concept though. Same exact concept. Alright. Now you gotta get that ABS wire back in there. Slides right underneath here. Plugs in right there. Just in case. And then there's a little hole right there that little thing slides into. There we go. And there's that clip right there. That goes on the inside, not the outside, the inside. That. Push it in there. Solid.
No! What?
Alright. There she is. Done, ready to go. You put your dust shield back in the middle there. Your rotor back on, your brakes back on, and throw your wheel on, and you're ready to roll out. Pretty easy.